Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell a car private party in California. First, let's get your car ready. A clean car makes a great first impression, so give it a thorough wash and detail. Gather all your service records. Having a complete maintenance history builds trust with potential buyers. Consider fixing any small issues, like a broken taillight or a minor dent, as these can significantly improve your car's perceived value and help it sell faster. Next, let's talk about the crucial paperwork for selling a car in California. You'll need the vehicle's title, which must be signed by all registered owners. It's also wise to complete a bill of sale, Form Reg 135, for both you and the buyer, detailing the transaction. Most importantly, you must provide a valid SMOG certification, issued within 90 days of the sale, unless your vehicle is exempt. Now, let's discuss how to price and advertise your car effectively. Research current market values for vehicles similar to yours to set a competitive and fair price. Take clear, high-quality photos from multiple angles, including the interior and exterior, to attract more interest. Craft a compelling description that highlights your car's best features, its condition, and any recent maintenance, aiming for honesty and detail. Finally, let's cover the steps to finalize your private party car sale. Once the transaction is complete, you must fill out and submit a notice of transfer and release of liability, Form Reg 138, to the California DMV within 5 days. This protects you from future liability. Ensure the buyer understands their responsibility to register the vehicle within 10 days. Remember to remove your license plates if the buyer is using temporary ones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.